Welcome to my channel. How do I set up my Netgear AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender? Method 1. Use the web browser setup. Place the extender in the same room as your router for the initial setup. Plug it into an electrical outlet and wait for the power LED to turn solid green or blue. Use a computer or mobile device to connect to the extender's Wi-Fi network, which is Netgear_X by default. Launch a web browser and go to mywifi.ext.net. Click New Extender Setup and follow the prompts. You'll need to create an account for the extender and then select your existing Wi-Fi network, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, and enter its password. Wait for the extender to apply the settings. You can then move the extender to a new location where you need a stronger signal. Connect your devices to the new network name created by the extender. Method 2. Use WPS. Place the extender in the same room as your router and plug it into a power outlet. Wait for the power LED to become solid green. Press the WPS button on the extender. The WPS LED will start to blink. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. The extender will connect to your network. Wait for the router link LED to turn solid green to confirm a good connection. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, you may need to repeat the WPS process for the second band. Once connected, move the extender to its final location and connect your devices to the extended network. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.